May God's peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you. What are you doing? God willing, we will talk about explaining the program to beginners. In the beginning, we open the program like this. It's completely normal, okay? Because, for example, I don't know from here, this list will appear to you. If the language is like English, you will find the sign L or LDO, and you will get the word language, or they are supposed to be the English coach like this. So we are supposed to, if he is English, go to the word language and answer it. Confused or Arabic? In the Arabic language, the appearance remains whether you want to make a light appearance or a dark appearance. I honestly like the light appearance because it makes the candles more clear. Okay, watch list and charts. We will answer here the watch list. At first you find that he kept some shares like this for you. Do not doubt Apple, Bitcoin and others. What's important is, at what time do you dislike? In front of a right pull like this, it appears to you. From here is a sign that trades on the stock. You pull it right and it will show you the sign of the basket or the alarm sign. Or, if the trading sign is about harm, you are afraid here and you will step on the stock. You will find here that some alert menus have appeared for you. If we want to make an alert at a specific price, such as the stock or whatever is delivered to it, we will give you a notice here. You will have percentages. What is the market value of the stock? Hourly to earnings per share ratio. An NI for revenues. How many floating shares are there in the market? The shares owned. And if you step on more, you will find more. New options, hello. From here you can step on like opening your settings. Hey, you start if you draw, you have it. See how you will start, like from here, step on. Pyramid, Tio, the firm is sad to salad to Satwilla. To the full, favorites put a star on it. Understand the watch? I understand the 4 hours of today, week, month, and you have a print of small frames. Can you use it? Minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes we use. Can you add 2 hours to them, okay? You add all the time patterns you want as breaks from here, which is T from this sign. And from here, Hockby, you add what you want. For example, the trend line is this long. Add it to favorites from here, like if you paralyze the favorites here. They want to help by making an addition to the favorites that appear, but I can draw a trend line. I step on a beam like I have. The price N here is a gap. I step here, I noted a gap at 2.60 pounds. Okay, like for example, I want to work. What? Open a common deal? Step on the word deal. It is common to say, I will open the deal from the beginning here, so I am like this and more. Okay, I say, for example, that I am my target here, and the stop loss under Ahudiyya, I made a place for a street deal. How did you understand me? And easy to add. What else can I add? Like an extended line, a line according to the guest that you want to add, for example, vape correction, vape fan. The important thing is that what you want to add is that you add the brush that you want to add, half of anything. Models of his mechanism, heck, nugatalit. Okay, what do you want to add to us? What else? What's important? What else? Can you step here? Does it tell you the financial statements, the technical statements, the forecasts, the type of chart? What is the general? These are all things that you can benefit from in the program. You can do this and get a village sniper, like it's a channel, for example. You want to work as Arab snipers, taking Al-Qaeda with the same meaning, and you did this from the authority. Al-Qaeda with the leaders will come out like this, drawing a price channel. Say easy. But her sanatorium, for example, is like this, and the basket sign has been erased. What else? If there's anything wrong with the condition by stepping out of here, reset the scale, reduce it, okay? I see your hand here. Here the shirt became bigger and bigger, and in your hand is a northerly print, and right also expands the condition or meets it or... Explain this quickly. How do you deal with the program? Okay, we fear here on the watch list, such as A, we want to add an arrow, so we will bend it plus by God, such as A, assuming that we will add the arrow, and we will say like A moko. It's like this, we add it to me. The important thing is that you step on it. Plus here, a shawl like this is added. So, All this is basic information for those who want to deal with the program. From here, for example, you add a list, but if you are a subscriber, understand how to sort as it is, by change, according to the price, from the lowest to the highest, or from the highest to the highest. Here I hear you, and the 2% factor will give you a ranking number. For example, for stocks below, some are below your financial assets until the stocks reach a loss. Thus, I put a long button on the middle. For example, in this case, you want to move it to the top. It is useful to put it in the list, like the favorite list. Are you doing it? These are your limits within a framework. When the free program is printed, it starts if you subscribe to the program with your own hands. There is a follow-up list with your own hands. Yes, such and such, I want Kuwait to work on some beautiful features on the program, but let's talk just like that. How can you deal with a program for beginners? If you get this far, I hope you will like and subscribe to the channel with us. Peace be upon you, brother.